empowering your financial journey. Hey there, financial explorers. Welcome back, Money Matters. Today, we're about to dive headfirst into a topic that's been shrouded in mystery for far too long. I'm talking about banking secrets exposed, the truth they don't want you to know. Yes, you heard it right. We're pulling back the curtain on an industry that affects all of us, yet remains a bit of an enigma. Now, why is this so important, you ask? Well, think about it. We all rely on banks to safeguard our hard-earned money, right? But how much do we really know about what's happening behind those sleek marble facades? And let's not even get started on the hidden fees and charges that can catch us off guard. Plus, let's face it, the banking industry hasn't always had the best reputation. We've heard the whispers, the rumors, the stories, and it's time to separate fact from fiction. Transparency is the name of the game, my friends, and it's high time we unveil the truth. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're going to navigate through these waters together, in a way that's friendly, easy to understand, and maybe even a little bit fun. So, grab your favorite snack, get cozy, and let's embark on this eye-opening journey into the world of banking secrets. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge that'll have you looking at your bank account in a whole new light. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Absolutely. Let's delve into the banking system unveiled. Alright, let's kick things off by peeling back the layers of the banking system. You see, it's not just a single entity, but a dynamic ecosystem comprising various players. First up, we have commercial banks. These are the financial institutions you're probably most familiar with, the ones you and I use for our everyday banking needs. They're like the backbone of the system, providing services like savings accounts, loans, and mortgages. You walk into a branch or do a few clicks online, and voila! Your money finds a safe home. Then there are investment banks. Now, these folks play in a different league. They're like the financial strategists of the bunch, helping big corporations, governments, and even other financial institutions navigate the complex world of investments. Think of them as the experts who make sure the wheels of the economy keep turning smoothly. And let's not forget about central banks. These are like the wise overseers of the entire financial landscape. In many countries, they're the ones responsible for managing a nation's currency, regulating interest rates, and ensuring the stability of the financial system. They're like the captains steering the ship, making sure everything sails along smoothly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The banking industry doesn't just sit quietly in the background. Oh no, it wields a colossal amount of influence and power. It's like the engine propelling the economy forward. From influencing interest rates that affect everything from your mortgage to your car loan, to holding a significant sway over government policies, the banking industry is the heartbeat of our financial world. Think about it, every time you make a financial move, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or even just depositing your paycheck, you're directly engaging with this vast network of institutions. It's like being part of this massive, interconnected web that touches every corner of our lives. So, next time you walk past a bank, remember, it's not just a building, it's a powerhouse that fuels the engine of our economy. Absolutely. Let's uncover the dark side of banking. Now, let's shed some light on a topic that might make you raise an eyebrow or two: the dark side of banking. You see, while banks are here to help you manage your finances, there are a few sneaky things to watch out for. Hidden fees and charges are like the ninjas of the financial world. They lurk in the shadows and can catch you off guard if you're not careful. Take, for instance, those pesky ATM fees. You're just trying to access your own hard-earned cash, and suddenly, a little chunk of it disappears. Sneaky, right? Then there are the dreaded overdraft fees. You might not even realize you've gone over your limit, but suddenly, you're hit with a charge. And let's not forget those account maintenance fees that seem to pop up out of nowhere. It's like paying rent for your own money. Now, let's talk about interest rates, and trust me, this is a game changer. Ever heard of compound interest? It's like magic, but not in a good way. You see, when you're in debt, it can work against you, piling up faster than you might realize. But when you're saving, it's like having a secret ally, helping your money grow over time. So, understanding how this financial wizardry works can make a world of difference in how you manage your loans and savings. It's all about knowing the rules of the game, so you can make your money work smarter, not harder. So, get ready to level up your financial savvy and take control of your banking experience. Absolutely, let's dive into the secrets behind credit scores. Now, let's unravel the mystery behind credit scores, something that plays a major role in many of our financial lives. Picture your credit score like a report card for your financial behavior. There are two main players in the credit scoring game, the FICO score and the Vantage score. Think of them as the judges determining how responsible you are with credit. They take a close look at your financial history and give you a score, which can range from not so great to excellent. Now, here's the juicy part: the factors that influence these scores. It's like the ingredients that go into baking the perfect financial cake. Payment history is a big one. It's like showing up for class every day, you want to show you're reliable. Then there's credit utilization, which is all about how much of your available credit you're actually using. Think of it like a buffet, you don't want to pile your plate too high. Length of credit history is like showcasing your experience in the financial world. The longer, the better. And watch out for those new credit inquiries. They can be a bit like too many chefs in the kitchen. Too many inquiries in a short period can raise some red flags. Now, why does all of this matter? Well, maintaining a good credit score is like having a golden ticket in the financial world. It can open doors to better interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and even potential landlords and employers taking a shine to you. So, think of your credit score as a trusty sidekick in your financial journey, always working behind the scenes to help you achieve your goals. It's like having your own personal financial cheerleader, rooting for you every step of the way. Absolutely, let's uncover the truth about banks and investments. Now, let's shift our focus to a topic that can be a game changer in your financial journey: banks and investments. It's like stepping into a whole new realm of financial opportunities. First, let's uncover some secrets of investment products that banks offer. Picture them as different tools in your financial toolbox. One of the heavy hitters is mutual funds. These are like a team of financial experts pooling money from various investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's like having a squad of experts managing your money to maximize growth. But hold on, there's a catch. Keep an eye out for investment advisory fees. These are like the ticket you pay for this professional management. It's like hiring a personal trainer for your financial fitness. Now, let's get real about the risks associated with investments. It's not all rainbows and unicorns, folks. First up, we have market volatility. Think of it like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes it's thrilling, and other times it can be stomach-churning. The value of your investments can swing up and down based on various factors, and it's important to be prepared for those wild turns. Next, there's the issue of lack of transparency. It's like trying to read a book with missing pages. Sometimes, it's not easy to see exactly where your money is going, and that lack of clarity can be a cause for concern. So, what's the key to navigating this financial terrain? It's all about diversifying your investment portfolio. Imagine it like having a mix of different ingredients in your recipe. By spreading your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and maybe even a sprinkle of real estate, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This can help cushion the impact of any one asset class experiencing a downturn. It's like creating a well-balanced financial feast. So, whether you're dipping your toes into the investment world for the first time or you're a seasoned pro, remember, knowledge is power. And by understanding these intricacies, you're already on the path to making more informed financial decisions. Cheers to your financial future. Absolutely, let's delve into banking and personal privacy. Now, let's talk about something that's close to all of our hearts: our privacy in the realm of banking. It's like guarding your personal space in a crowded room. You see, there are some privacy concerns that come with the territory. When you entrust a bank with your financial information, it's only natural to wonder how secure it really is. You want to ensure that your sensitive data doesn't end up in the wrong hands. Enter the topic of data collection. It's like the silent observer in the room, quietly gathering information about your financial habits. Now, while this data can be crucial for the bank to provide you with tailored services, it's important to understand the implications. Your spending habits, investment choices, and even your financial goals can all be part of this data collection process. It's like leaving behind breadcrumbs of your financial journey. But fear not. There are steps you can take to protect your personal information and privacy in this digital age. Think of it like putting a lock on your diary. First and foremost, make sure you're using secure, unique passwords for your accounts. It's like having a strong fortress around your information. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. And don't forget to keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activity. It's like having a vigilant guard on duty. Lastly, consider limiting the amount of personal information you share online. Be cautious about what you post on social media or other public platforms. It's like drawing the curtains on your financial life. And always review your bank statements and credit reports regularly. It's like doing a health checkup for your financial well-being. By being proactive about your personal privacy, you're taking a significant step towards safeguarding your financial future. Remember, you're in control of your information, and it's crucial to make sure it stays in the right hands, yours. So, keep those digital doors locked and your financial fortress secure. Absolutely, let's empower you with some practical tips. Now, let's switch gears and talk about how you can take the reins of your financial destiny. It's time to empower yourself with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the world of banking and finance like a pro. First off, let's focus on finding a transparent and trustworthy bank. Think of it like choosing a reliable travel companion for a long journey. Look for institutions with a solid reputation, clear fee structures, and excellent customer service. Do your research, read reviews, and ask for recommendations from friends or family. Remember, you want a partner who's got your back, no surprises attached. Next up, let's tackle the topic of managing and improving your credit score. It's like giving your financial resume a makeover. Start by paying your bills on time. It's one of the most impactful ways to boost your score. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. And don't be tempted to open too many new lines of credit at once. It's like tending to a delicate garden, nurture it, and you'll see it flourish. Now, when it comes to making informed investment decisions, think of it like planning a road trip. Do your homework, understand your risk tolerance, and diversify your investments. Consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor, someone who can help you navigate the twists and turns of the financial landscape. Lastly, in this digital age, maintaining personal privacy is like safeguarding your most valuable treasures. Use strong, unique passwords, and be cautious about the information you share online. Consider using encryption tools for sensitive communications, and regularly review your privacy settings on social media and other platforms. It's like putting up digital walls to protect your personal space. Remember, the power to control your financial destiny is in your hands. By arming yourself with knowledge and following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success. So go on, take charge, and let's conquer the world of finance together. Absolutely, let's wrap this up on a high note. And there you have it, my financial trailblazers. We've uncovered some eye-opening insights today. From understanding the intricacies of the banking system to unraveling the mysteries of credit scores, we've taken a deep dive into the world of finance. Remember, knowledge is your strongest ally in this journey. So, stay in the know, and you'll be making savvy financial moves in no time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or thoughts on today's video, drop them in the comments below. Your input is invaluable. And of course, a massive thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for even more financial insights in the future. Together, we're building a community of financially empowered individuals, ready to take charge of their financial futures. Until next time, keep those financial flames burning, and I'll see you in the next